YouTube, what that shit do, man? Y'all ain't seen it since our last video. You know, it was low budget. We didn't get no love, but y'all better show some love, man. Y'all can't see my face right now. We grinding, you feel me? So we can get out these low budget videos and get some real bangers, you feel me? I'm one half of Hash Gang. I'm S Dot, my nigga Point Fireman out there in LA cooking up some new shit for y'all. So we got some new shit coming, so fuck with us, send us your feedback, what y'all think, what y'all want us to rap about, what y'all want to hear, you feel me? We diverse. You feel me? When it comes to the clothes, the whips, the bitches, all that. We diverse. Let's get it. Alright, here to freestyle, my nigga. Money game, we reckless. By any means, let's get it. Stop hoeing up, she with it. All she wanna do is kick it. Popping bottles, we A1. Swag on terrific. Counting Benjamin, spending money like selling fans. Putting up on you, hit you, amens. Come to the spot where your fam at. Kicking the door where your gram is at. On the block with them boulders. Leave you roasting when the beef is over. Hash Gang nigga, click of soldiers. Bands got her nose up. Started from the bottom, she didn't only choose us, but she chose up. Trippy when we roll up. Foreign when we roll up. Getting bread like cold cuts. 110 shit go against us. Bang bang, your head bust. Rule 1, we never trust. Tell your hoe all I want is neck. You can keep your guts. Pouring hoes with big butts. Smoking so much tree, my ashtray got a gang of tree dust. Crack a bottle, grab your hoe, tell her come and please us. Send these shells at you, that's a one-way ticket to Jesus. We rolling around like Caesar, stashing bricks, smoking hash and shit. We running shit. You see Reebok Classics, kid? Yeah, you already know that was exclusive freestyle from your nigga S Dot. You already know, let's get it. My niggas gonna get that guap straight up. It's that 110 shit, Hash Gang, nigga. So leave y'all love, comments, hate it, whatever. We ain't hating if y'all hating on the real. Let us know what y'all think. Straight up, Hash Gang, nigga.